Assalamu alaikum. First things first, everybody is asking a question in Pakistan. Whether or not India is going to attack Pakistan anytime soon. My answer in this regard, unfortunately, is in the affirmative because of a variety of reasons. In this episode, dear viewers, I'm going to put forward only one reason, which I believe is quite different from those advanced by many respectable and seasoned analysts so far, which is India's ultra-right media, particularly its broadcast media. India's media or ultra-right media has been deriving financial support from the non-resident Indians or the NRIs who are based in North America. This section of NRIs has been trying, for whatever reasons, to turn this so-called secular India into the Nazi Germany of the first part of the 20th century. This is their objective. Fascism, in a way, had enabled Narendra Modi to come to the power. And in turn, Narendra Modi has enabled fascism in all segments of India's society, including its media. Thank you very much. My name is Sarfraz Ahmed. I'm a journalist. من يعجبه سرفراز أحمد يا ربوتي بكذا أنا سرفراز نائب رئيس التحرير في جريدة كراچی باکستان زندہ باد.